Hey, it's on there. The female next door on the other side tried to get in to the officer's vehicle. She tried to jump in the officer's vehicle right here. Look. She's having some kind of commotion, or she's either on a good one. So we're here at the end of the speed pursuit at the UHaul still, and she tried to jump in the officer's vehicle. She's right there on that side. So some female complained about pain on her foot, and she tried to jump in the officer's vehicle. He took out the keys real quick. He's standing right there. It's crazy. She tried to jump in the guy's. We're watching it from here. We're watching it from here. The officer's right there. Bring it out. What the? We gotta hide, guys. We gotta hide. We don't want her to see us. She's coming this way. Hold on, we're gonna go the other way. So we're at the gas station at Normandy, and Normandy and Sepulveda, where the pursuit just ended, and you see the U-Haul still there, and then this subject right there, sitting down, approached the officer and asked him for assistance. The officer did ask for assistance, for RA, and she tried to jump into his vehicle in the back of the door. I didn't get it, man. But he's outside waiting, maybe for the sheriffs or the paramedics, but he's probably gonna wait for the sheriffs to come here. We're gonna pause it real quick.
Field 3 is going to additional units to stand by the Sepulveda and Normandy on 14 Woolman.
Sheriff responded. We're coming from Pacific 8.
Field 355 is en route coming from Pacific and 8.
As well as handled, responding to PCH of Big.
55 counter response. Highway 12 is responding from PCH and Figueroa.
Alpha Roger, thank you.
Where's the fire department at, man? So fire department in 36 just arrived here at the Chevron gas station. We got another one coming, another unit coming out. Coming right there. There's the ambulance, but it looks like maybe they might. McCormick over here. There's our house McCormick. About to block us. Not really. Alright, there we go. I think she's medical. She tried to jump inside the officer's unit. Shout out to Engine 36. Engine 36, right over here. Alright guys, we're going to split. The officer was okay. He called for backup and for one more unit. Looks like it's coming from Alright, thanks for watching guys. We're gonna wait until this other partner arrives and we're gonna be split. See what chicks lose tonight. So the story is LAPD was on standby here until a tow truck arrives for the UHaul from the UHaul that was not on pursuit, but it was being followed for a bit, and then until the other units, the backup arrived, and the lady that's over there tried to jump into the officer's unit, and luckily he was able to see her and run after her. Pulled out the keys from his unit on time. She wasn't getting in the front, but she was trying to get in the back seat, so luckily he caught her and she said she was sorry. Here's the impound vehicle. So it probably could have been a stolen vehicle here. Stolen U-Haul, so she's going out there. Mental. Something's wrong with her. There's the other unit just arrived. Other one just back. Yeah. Hey, he got out quick, ran over there real quick. Way to go. Hey, he jumped out real quick, about to bust the mission. I'm telling you guys, LAPD don't mess around. When it's time to go, it's time to go. Seven. I don't know this breakdown. Alright guys, we're gonna let these guys do their job, do their work. We're gonna let them alone. Thanks for watching. We hope everything will be alright with the woman. It's sad, you can hear her scream. Alright guys, we'll see you guys around. Hopefully you guys watch this video. Leave a comment below. LAPD, Harbor Division, always doing a great job. This is what we do. This is what we try to get for you guys. Alright, we're out. Okay.